So I'm Kushan Shalin Ramasri from Sri Lanka, and I am a community kind of knowledge provider on QA, technical QA, and also on test automation. So from my, I have been in development at the beginning stages. Then I have moved into QA because QA is an interesting area where we try to find issues that are developed in a application that we are delivering for a customer. And my experience in QA arena is almost like 18 plus years, and I have been a continuous knowledge provider in the QA community, especially in LinkedIn and on YouTube. I have my separate YouTube channel on automation tools and technologies, and so people have grown. It's really interesting to see people have grown from the technology and the knowledge that I have developed on. So this the target audience that I am aiming to give my session is on for manual QA engineers as well as automation and who are technically fluent. So it is about actually exploratory testing, which is an area that most of us ignore, right? Because we go on scripted testing, which is like, building up test cases and testing on those test cases. So we are like, segmented. Most of the QAs are segmented on those test cases. So, but there are defects which will occur, which we doesn't know, because we cannot guarantee that the software that we developed is 100% fail proof, right? So we cover the quality. We cannot guarantee 100% quality because there are issues that trigger from unknown areas. So this exploratory testing session is on uncovering these defects which we do not foresee. So it's about using QA's innovative, creative ability to uncover issues which we do not get on normal scripted testing. So we will be looking into each of these tools that will help us to actually to do exploratory testing. And we will look into these tools, what are the good parts of it, what are the bad parts of it. So it's kind of interactive session on helping people to carry on this exploratory testing in the QA world. So it started from my university days, because I am a guy who wants to do something different, not from the regular day-to-day things. So everything is like for me, I want to be creative, think out of the box. So from that, actually it helped me to uncover a lot of defects that the software that I was delivering to the customer from my organizations. So so that was driving me, and I was like looking out of the box stuff, and I want to learn more technical. So what I did is, like, every day to day, I invest like 3 to 4 hours on R&D, research and development. So those things actually help me to learn a lot. I mean, to compare with the tools, if a project manager asks me, okay, what is the good tool for this, so that I can give, okay, this tool gives you these kind of features, but this tool has these kind of drawbacks. So then also the research and development that I have done, I have been able to give it to the community in the form of LinkedIn articles. So you can see nearly 300 articles I have done, and also videos in my global technical QA channel in YouTube. So it is a kind of a thing that made me passionate, is the evolving technology in QA, and to learn them and to give them. So my passion is about to give it to the community. So that's why I have started from a journey on as a speaker, international speaker, in GTA ATR from 2017, and I've won the Best Speaker Award for the lab sessions in 2018. So I want to continue my journey and help my community to grow. That's my main passion about. So I'm actually currently living in Sri Lanka, and I'm in the capital of Sri Lanka, which is called Colombo. We had so many political and terrorist kind of attacks. So we were like affected by those things, and even the economic crisis that we have. So most of the people are going abroad because of the economic crisis, but it's a challenging thing. So there are less people now. Since people are going abroad, we have less people to take the skill to do our testing and development. So it's a big challenge for us, even since we have less skilled people here. But we cannot omit certain clients delivering the stuff. So we had the chance to, when we are interviewing people also, we have a greater chance to, greater challenge to interview these people. And what I like is the city that I like is Anuradhapura, which is an ancient city which has a lot of kind of ruins from old ages, and like castles where emperors have built. A lot of since I'm a Buddhist, we have a lot of temples which are ancient in nature. So that's a nice area that everyone should go. I mean, Sri Lanka is a nice country, though it's a small island. There are a lot of things of interest to come and see here. So two guys are there who have been helping me. One is Aditya. Actually, he was encouraging me to come up with a lot of topics, and he encouraged me to come up into these conferences and also share my ideas, knowledge. And CPWST was an idea that I brought to ATA recently, and he's a really good motivator. And the other guy is Nuwan Karunaratne, who is my manager. Actually, he is also a friend of mine. He shares me everything, any kind of good things that I do. And sometimes I'm not a perfect guy, but there are some hiccups. So he advises me, he motivates me, how you have to do this, how to achieve. And even my achievements, he kind of like it, and he motivates me more to do it. So there are two guys who are actually behind my career.